this video, I will show you how to manage the top 10 features in the PI Planning app. First, we go in Jira to the project that holds all the saved features. We enter a WSJF value for these features and we give the features a label called Feature PI1. With this label, we can import a selection of features to plan into the Program Backlog board of the PI Planning app. Now we switch back to the PI Planning app and navigate to the Program Backlog board. Here you can see that our choice of features is already in the PI Planning app. On each sticky we have the feature text, the ALM key, in this case the Jira issue key of the feature, the WSJF value and a button to assign the feature to a team. All the features on this board are sorted by the WSJF value from left to right and from top to bottom. Now what the team can do here is they pull a feature. To do so, click the arrow button and choose your team. Now this feature appears on the program board in the Program Backlog column next to your team name. Now you know how to pull features from the Program Backlog board. In the next video I will show you how the team plans this feature.